Hello everybody, me again. I thought we'd have another attention autism session, but this time maybe thinking about why we're at home in the first place. But before I get to that, let me show you what we're going to be doing today. So, first, bucket, then achoo! Achoo! Bucket first, then achoo. I've got my bucket, and I've still got my blue one, not the pink one. So here goes. I've got something in my bucket, in my bucket, in my bucket. I've got something in my bucket. I wonder what it is. Let's have a look inside. Oh, it's a bit stiff. Oh, I mustn't have my breakfast yet. Ooh. It's a baby. And the baby has pink hair and a big dummy. And the baby is crawling. Can you hear the baby talking? The baby is jiggling. Where is the baby going? Bye-bye. And bye-bye, baby. Baby has finished. I've got something in my bucket, in my bucket, in my bucket. I've got something in my bucket. I wonder what it is. Ooh. Lego. I could build with the Lego. Let's have a look. Green. Green. Another green. Can you guess what I'm building? Have you guessed yet? Some red. So I've got green, light green, dark green, red, yellow, and finish with a red on the top. I can see a flower, a beautiful red flower. Flower. And flower has finished. I've got something in my bucket, in my bucket, in my bucket. I've got something in my bucket. I wonder what it is. Oh, let's have a look. Another of my favourite. It's a balloon. A purple balloon. Oh, big breath. Ooh, bigger. One more. Big balloon. Big balloon. Flying away. Shall I do it again? That balloon. Oh, it's gone very big now. Let's see if we can blow it again. Oh, bigger. 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 Oh, whoa. And it's blown away. And balloon has finished. And bucket has finished. Time for a chew. Now, I know that we're all at home when I think we'd like to be in school. And that's because there's this thing going around called coronavirus. And that's to remind us, and it's telling us that we need to wash our hands and blow our nose. But why? Let's find out. So, when you're at home and you're playing with your toys, you might have some bricks. You might have some toys. You might even have a plate of food. And then you might have a sneeze. And if you do a really big sneeze, look, all of those nasty germs that are in your mouth have landed on your toys. Oh dear. So it's really important, not only is it important to wash your hands, but when you finish playing with your toys and you know you might have sneezed on them and your hands might not be very clean, you might need to wash them. Oh gosh, I think I might be sneezing a lot. So we're going to wash our toys today. So I've got my bowl. I've got some water ready. Let's turn it round. Pour the water in. Oh, I might put a bit more in. I need some soap because that helps to kill all the germs. Swirl it about. Can you see all those soapy bubbles? Time to wash our toys. Splish, splash, splish, splash. And our toys are clean. Toys. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Toys are clean. And then wash your plate. Yeah! Our toys and plates are clean. So remember, we need to clean up and wash things when we have finished. Have you ever had to wash your hands? I know I have. So remember, if you've got a sneeze coming, and a really, really big one, don't put it everywhere. Sneeze into a tissue. Let the tissue catch it, and then put it in the bin. and then wash your hands. Use lots of nice and soap in between those fingers. Wash, wash, wash. And then you're ready to play again. So remember, achoo! Put it in a tissue and then put it in the bin. Achoo has finished. Have a lovely weekend and I will see you all very soon.